Ulaa is a privacy protection web browser developed by Zoho Corporation, made in Indian web browser. Browser open Google search box lo Ulaa browser download. Enter key press Ulaa browser ulaa.com. First link click. Ulaa official redirectory web page, complete display, private, secure, super fast browser. Scroll down, bottom side two options display. First one, download for Windows, other users. Second option, need Ulaa for other platforms. Second option, click get Ulaa for your platform. First one, OS, Mac, Intel. Second one, Mac, ARM64, Linux, Android, Apple, iOS. Different OS platforms. Select your convenient and installation OS. Present Windows setup. Window close. First button, download for Windows. Blue color button, click. Download Ulaa. Window lo license grant. Application related license information. Complete display in window. After accept and download. Blue color button, click. Thank for choosing Ulaa. Window close. Right side top section lo downloads. Ulaa -offline -installer latest version v 2.36.3 MSI Microsoft installer file downloading process start. File size 199 MB. Ulaa features. Mouse scroll down. This is Ulaa wins Indian web browser development change related information. Scroll down. Utmost protection while browsing the web. Features. First one, 24-hour security patch policy. Second one, anonymized statistics. Third one, protection against high risk cyber security threats. Fourth one, auto updates on all platforms. Auto reset browser IDs, all histories and password and cookies. Reset and clear. Third one, geographical data isolation. All data saved in Indian. After downloading process completed, browser minimize, desktop file explorer document open, left side downloads folder lo Ulaa offline setup file display. Select, mouse double click. Preparing to install. Ulaa update assistant. Download folder minimize. Ulaa installer window lo choose installation levels. Two options display. First one, install Ulaa for all the users on this device. Multiple users, first option select. Individuals, second option, install Ulaa for current user only. First one, select install button, click. Thank you for choosing Ulaa. Zoho Corporation Private Limited. Window lo first button, yes, click. Installing Ulaa for all users. Wait and hear. System verifying. Setup process completing. After desktop shortcut display Ulaa. Thank you for choosing Ulaa. Successfully installed Ulaa for all users on this device. Done button, click. Welcome to Ulaa browser. Privacy, secure, fastest. 3 features. Let's get you set up. Blue color button, click. Customize modes. Ulaa gives you 5 modes. First one, work mode, developer mode, programmer and development purpose. Second one, icon and theme select. Third one, personal users. Fourth one, open session, all users multiple. Fifth one, kids purpose. Enter the browser username. Any one username enter. Chari Tech. Third one, personal select. Continue button, click. Kids mode and personal control. Enter new password. Minimum 6 characters. 6 to 12 characters enter in box. Continue button, click. Privacy protection related two options display. First one standard mode, second one extreme mode. Standard mode related features, second one extreme related number of and more features. Second one select ad blocking, tracking and analytic blocking, and molecule software, badware blocking, phishing protection, resource abuse blocking, stealth mode, search ads and self promotions, YouTube and Google auto display ads protection, URL tracking and cookies blocking. Second one select continue button, click. Dashboard settings, two options display. First one smart dashboard, Google related home page. Second one clear selected search engine only display. Second one manual dashboard, select continue button, click. Browser theme, two themes display. First one light, second one dark. Night work users light mode display, day users dark mode display. Second one select continue button, click. Search engines, safest search engines 5 display. First one DuckDuckGo, second one Microsoft Bing, third one Yahoo, Yandex, and fifth one Google. First one very safest browser DuckDuckGo, default select continue button, click. Import data, already install in your system different web browsers, Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome, Brave, Tor, different search engines, links, URLs, data, passwords. Insert in Ulaa browser, select inbox, present only one Microsoft Edge. Related bookmarks, history and search engines. Insert in Ulaa web browser. Unnecessary default Microsoft Internet Explorer set. Skip continue, click. Sign in and sign in. Already you having Zoho Mail, sign in button, click. And other Google, Microsoft, Yahoo Mail tie up with Ulaa browser, sign in, click. Present unnecessary, skip start browsing button, click. Not now, last one button, click. This is Ulaa web browse interface. First one screen session, time spent today, browsing complete today, duration display, and daily average screen time option, click. Today complete browsing information display in dashboard. Last 7 days, last 4 weeks option, today, click. Scroll down, search related topics, entertainment, business, community, different website information display, close. Second one privacy report, other blocking information display. Second one, click. Date wise October 25th 16, fake news, game blocks, sensitive adults, related all topics blocking report, and website tracks, click. Related different unsaved blocks website tracking reports display, close. You are safe with Ulaa, third option, click. Complete details, left side top sites, Google, YouTube, Amazon, Google Chrome related top website icons display, direct icon, click. Google search engine web page display, back, click. Daily using top website add in section, add sites option, click. Title WhatsApp, enter your WhatsApp URL, add in add button, click. Next right side 3 dots icon, click. Preferences, click. First one your profile name, Charitech, sign in, customize profile. Change the another one profiles here in select your convenient profile here. Close browser, done. First one Ulaa, double click, create new account, add second icon, click. Enter the username, Create profile, click. Skip this. RAM account, click. And second one, Chari browse, close. First one, this is our Ulaa assistant. This is Ulaa browser. YouTube, enter. Chari tech info. Enter key press.
I've revised the quotation.
Send it.